Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Data Wing application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open your Data Wing application on your device and you will come across this interface. To change your language on the game, simply tap on the gear icon right next to Start Game. Now, under Settings, tap on the English option, which is default for now in my case. Now select the language of your choice from the list and tap on it. You can now go back and see for yourself that you have now successfully changed your language on Data Wing. So that is how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.